Hello everyone, this is Rasraj and you are watching Versatile Rasraj. Hope you all are enjoying the new calligraphy writing. Today it is third day and we are on C. The steps what I am telling you, hope you are comfortable with them. If you feel any difficulties, if you have any queries, feel free to comment and drop them in the comment box. I'll try my best to assist you. Today we will learn C. You can see here, this is the worksheet. At the end of the series, you might collect it. You can order online. You can contact me at any time for worksheet. Pay simple, a very nominal charge and collect the worksheet. Okay, let us come to the point. This is C. It is having 5 steps. Step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, and 5th is the beautification. Four and 5 both are same. Okay, so let's go. Step number 1. Please watch carefully. Step number 1, arrow given, the direction it is given how to move, the direction of your pen to be used. Step number 2, 3 and 4. Let us go with step number 1. You see, top to bottom, from second line to 4th line, downward. Step number 1. 2. Very easy. Step number 2. 3. 1, 2 and 3. Number 4. This is the beautification. Okay, another way we can go for the beautification. This is C. These strokes are given for the beautification. To flourish, you must have some creative ideas. Okay, say the creative one. Let us go another time. For practice, you have more spaces. Let us go one more time. Look the stroke. Here it is given. Follow this. write your own independently. Correct? Because you have written here early. Remember that and write here. Again. Okay. Let us see one more time. Very easy, going to down. Correct? Please follow the movement of the pen. You see the nib, this is 6.0 mm. Its size is 6.0 mm. You might be using broader than this. So please move your pen carefully. See the movements, how its direction is. Angular, okay, coming down, slanting, again join that, next line and up. Use the edge of the pen, okay, again up one for the beautification, to flourish that. Beautification, you can go for this, some flourishing strokes. So this is all about. More spaces are there to practice you more and more. You can see here. Works space given for you to practice. So children, this much for today. I hope you like the video. If you are new on my channel, please like, share and subscribe. So children, catch you shortly with another episode, an exciting episode. Keep practicing. Bye bye.